EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchant here with your outlook for November 12th, 2019. We have a cold front moving through very early this morning. We're going to have some rain showers ending as a few flakes in some areas, maybe a few snow showers further north, but I don't think you're dealing with much in the way of accumulations, if any at all, as we get south of I-78, and actually probably going to be limited to just the Poconos with a coating to a half inch or maybe an inch in some spots, but further south and east, I don't think you're getting any accumulations. The trend today has been to lessen the amount of back end or behind antifrontal snow. So we're going to continue with that theme this morning. We will have that rain ending very early, rain or snow showers ending very early, and then we're going to have clouds giving way to sun. Breezy conditions are going to move in this afternoon with wind gusts in the 25 to 30 mile per hour range at times, and it's going to be much colder. With that cold air advection, the temperatures are going to be falling. So earlier highs in the day today will be falling off during the afternoon, and then we have a cold night coming tonight. So let's get over the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I'm backing this up a little bit to the middle of the night, 3 o'clock in the morning, just to show you where the showers were here at that point. And then we did have some changeover to snow in the far northern areas. And as the back edge started moving toward the region, this is 6 a.m., still showers here, excuse me, for the eastern areas, but we did have a changeover in northeast PA. And just on the very back side of this, there's a little bit of snow here, maybe a couple of flakes as it starts to move eastward. But the cold air just isn't catching up to this in time to give some accumulations further southeast, but you will see a few flakes in some areas that will just add to the festive kind of mood, if you will, reminding you that winter is coming, but I don't really think you're going to get accumulations down in these areas. Maybe some minor accumulations, coating to a half-inch type stuff, maybe an inch in some of the higher elevations of northeast PA before this pulls away. But again, this is looking at 9 a.m., so this is already ending in Pennsylvania and heading off to the south and east, and should be off the coast by noon at the latest. So we should have some clouds decreasing for some sun this afternoon. Again, it's going to be a little bit breezy. Cold air advection coming in. Morning highs are going to be achieved early on, and then it's going to drop down. The temperatures are going to drop throughout the day. And we're in the teens for most areas overnight. Maybe 20s over here in the far southeastern areas, just barely into the 20s. But elsewhere, we're going to be in the teens. So a very cold night overnight tonight, and that's going to continue right into Wednesday. Wednesday, we're not expecting highs to get above freezing in many locations, especially central and northern regions, and just barely above freezing farther southeast by Philadelphia, point south and east there, maybe middle 30s there, but not really too much above freezing. So definitely one of the coldest days of the autumn thus far, if not the coldest that we've experienced. But this is going to be short-lived because we get to Thursday, and we have partly to mostly cloudy skies expected, but we're also going to have temperatures that are going to be a little bit warmer, closer to 40, upper 30s to near 40 here on Thursday. Then once we get to Friday, we're back to mostly sunny skies again, and temperatures that are going to be in the upper 40s to near 50. So it's going to trend a little bit warmer. It's still technically slightly below average, though, for this time of year, which is not as cold as it's going to be today and tomorrow. So low pressure off the southeastern U.S. coastline. We're going to have to watch for either late weekend, but more likely early next week. In our local forecast, we have the chance for rain from this as a fringe effect, and we talked about this in yesterday's video, maybe getting in here Sunday night, Monday with some showers on the northwest side. That's still being shown here on several models. We're going to continue to watch this. This is still coming at a time when temperatures are expected to be a little bit milder, so we're still not expecting any wintry precipitation, but Saturday is going to be a mostly sunny day. Temperatures not quite as warm as Friday. We're going to take a step back to the lower 40s again, and then we'll go back up again to mid to upper 40s on Sunday. But Sunday's going to be, we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy with clouds increasing later in the day, and then maybe some showers coming in later at night. You can see that here with this low moving up the coast, and some showers on the northwest side shown to be in parts of our area. We're going to continue to monitor that just in case, but it looks like it is going to be in the form of rain if it does happen, but it does look like it's going to be light at this time, not a major system along the eastern seaboard early next week. But this is Sunday night and Monday of next week as of right now. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchant. That is your outlook for November 12th, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.